How AI can help you save your job. AI is not here to take your job. AI is here to take the job of those who refuse to learn. In today's workplace, from Kigali offices to district headquarters, AI is becoming a daily tool. But here's the secret: those who use AI stay employed. Imagine you work in administration, statistics, HR, M&E, or finance. Instead of spending hours typing reports, AI helps you draft them in minutes. You don't work less, you work smarter. A teacher uses AI to prepare lessons faster. A data officer uses AI to analyze survey data quickly. A secretary uses AI to write clean emails and meeting minutes. Result: higher productivity, less stress, more value to the employer. Your boss doesn't want someone who works hard only. They want someone who delivers results. So don't fight AI. Learn it, use it, grow with it. Because in the age of AI, the safest job is not the strongest, it's the one held by the smartest learner. AI won't replace you. A person using AI will.